The next thing that we are going to take a look at is how many ounces are in a cup. So we're going to figure out here 1 cup is equal to how many ounces. And now remember when we talked about our abbreviations, ounces is talking about physical weight. So when we are looking at OZ ounces, we're talking about something solid like a chocolate chips or a container of rice or flour or something along those lines. We are also going to talk about how many fluid ounces are in a cup. And when we're looking at fluid ounces, we're looking at those liquids. So whether it's milk or oil or water, okay, we're going to have a certain number of fluid ounces that are equal to 1 cup. So my little picture memory trick for you for this equivalent is that we are going to start by drawing a cup. Okay, I'm not a super fantastic artist, but we can imagine that there is a cup, and so that is going to represent our 1 cup. Inside of our 1 cup, we're going to do 2 things. The first is that we're going to kind of outline and draw a circle over the rim of the cup. And then we're also going to draw a circle kind of in the entire body of the cup. And when I do that, I end up with a number inside of my cup. And hopefully we can see that this is the number 8. If that's super confusing, then you could ignore remembering the picture, but sometimes it helps to see it visually, that there is an 8 inside of my cup, which helps remind us that there are 8 ounces or 8 fluid ounces within 1 cup. Okay, so 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. It's also equal to 8 regular ounces. And so a cup of flour is equal to 8 ounces. A cup of water is equal to 8 fluid ounces. And so we have both of those things are going to be true. Let's do one quick practice problem here. I'm going to throw a fraction at you this time. So if I have 1 whole cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces or 8 ounces, then a half of a cup is how many ounces? All right, we have to remember again that a fraction is a division problem. So this is saying 1 divided by 2 is equal to a half. So we have to do 8 divided by 2. Or remember, if 8 divided by 2 equals what is hard, we can say 2 times what equals 8. And the answer there is going to be 4. So a half of a cup is going to be 4 ounces. It would also be a half cup is 4 fluid ounces, depending upon what we're talking about.